Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Shavuot Perek Vav Mishnah Vav. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss firstly, it can something grapevines, right, which are attached to the ground. We consider them as part of the ground, or would we consider them as something that's movable? And then we're going to speak about when oaths are taken, right? Really, what we've been talking about, we spoke about when they're not, right? Now we're going to speak when can you take an oath. So, firstly, Rabbi Meir Omer, yesh dvarim shem kakarka ve'enam kakarka. There's something that's like land and also not like land. Ve'en hachamim modim lo. Hachamim do not agree. Ketzat, how so? Amar lo, eser gefanim te'onot masarti lecha. Right? He tells him, I gave you 10 vines filled with grapes. V'hada omer, einan ela chamesh. He says, you only gave me 5. Rabbi Meir mehayev. Rabbi Meir says, okay, there's a partial claim here. Okay, so he has to swear. Chamim omrim, kol ha'mechubal lakarka areu kakarka. We said in last Mishnah that we don't swear over land, and this is connected to the ground. So therefore, you can't swear. It's like karka. Now, the mahloket, Rambam explains, the mahloket between Rabbi Meir and Chamim is only with grapes that are ready to be harvested. They're ready to be cut. That's the mahloket between them. Right? If it's not ready to be cut, right, then it's like the ground, even if it be mi'irud. Now, halacha is like hachamim, but only in a case where he gave it to him to watch, right? He gave it to him to watch over these 10, right? And he said, no, you only gave me to watch over 5, right? That's when halacha is going to be hachamim. But when it comes to the sale, when it comes to honaya, right, overcharging, when it comes to modeh b'miktzat, right, a partial admission, right, then we go according to, we go according to, right, so we go according to that it's considered metaltelin, that is considered something movable, and we go according to, anything, anything that's ready to be picked, it's as if it is picked already, right? That's what the halacha is. Now, also important to note, okay, now the Mishnah continues. En nishba'in ela al davar shebamida v'shebamishkal v'shebaminya. Okay, so when we swear, okay, it needs to be something that it's defined by its size, it's defined by its weight, and by a number, right? Or so. So ketzad, how so? Amar lo, bait male masarti lecha. Kis male masarti lecha. I gave you a full storage house, right, of wheat. I gave you a full wallet of money, right? V'hala omer, en yodea. And someone says, I don't know, maybe. Ela mashe nachta notel. Whatever you took, whatever you left, take. Right? So there's no, he's not really saying, he's not modeh b'miktzat. He's patur. But if he says ze omer ad haziz, where he gives a measurement, right, like our Mishnah just said, ze omer ad halon hayav, right? I left it up to, the protrusion over here, and the person says no, it was only left. You only filled it up to the bottom of the window, right? Which is less. So here he's giving a measurement, and therefore this is something that you'd have to swear over, right? So if I said I left you a full storage house, and you say no, you only left me a storage house halfway, that's modeh b'miktzat, right? It's a partial admission, right? And that's a case where you would have to swear. This is when eno chayav ad sheyitanenu davar shebamida shebamishkal shebaminiyan yodeh lo bedavar shebamishkal b'midah b'mishkal b'minyan, right? Meaning you have to be modeh b'miktzat if a person he has to be to'en something in one of these three, the weight measurement, and he has to be modeh b'miktzat in one of these 3 in order to force a swear, right? And this is the classic case when a person would have to take a swear.